Good afternoon, sir. I have a question for you, sir. In your classroom, what challenges did you face in maintaining a healthy and safe-learning environment during face-to-face class?
One of the problem that I encounter is during the pandemic time, we had our learning gap, which is difficult for us educators today to cope up since we experienced COVID pandemic. For 2 years, the students had their modular learnings in which each student is given modules or answer sheets to answer without the presence of the teacher to explain, to elaborate the topic to students. Make a progress that they obtain is like a turtle walking, since that's very slow. So at the time that face-to-face comes back, then we see that students are slow in their progress, especially in their in dealing with mathematics. They are very behind. So that's the isa sa difficulties na na-encounter na mo pagbalik sa kuhan. So one is poor study habit, behavior towards since there are students also are those who are at risk of dropping out, isa din ang behavior.
And for that, sir, for that situation, how did you handle that, sir?
The difficulties. So each educator has a way in how to solve that kind of problem. So mine is I have given them activities, student centered activities, in which those diagnosis that I had found in their academics masolusyonan. For example, if student A has a problem with this, that, so I given them pair mentoring technique, in which those students who are good in this, who are excellent in this subject, mine is mathematics, yung magaling, i-assign mo yung turuan mo, and then report ka sa bukas ng progress. So as per experience, effective.
That's all, sir. Thank you sa answer sa amin.